that hurts now. Leave me alone, Jacob. Oh, got a bobo. Oh, pain, pain. I can't handle it. I did burn myself. And I am to blame because I trusted Chad's shoddy welds.
Chad, what are you doing? Trying to get this thing to work. It's not. Alright, so right now I am prepping axe drift stock, and basically what I do is I take a piece of axe drift and weld a piece of rebar on for a handle so we can forge it. So take a piece of H13 stock. Take a piece of rebar. Alright. Welding helmet. Safety third.
Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing some drift forging production. Drifts are a new line of products that we're coming out with, and we're still learning the most efficient way to forge these drifts. Today is going to be one of those learning experiences. I've got some big chunks of H13 in the forge, got the power hammer ready. We're going to start drawing tapers and then start using the drift dies that we made in a series last month. Take one out, put one in. And keep her going. Drawing some tapers right now to better fit the dies for the drifts. What is happening? What's wrong, Chad?
Just figured he messed with me.
No. Either that or you're hungry.
Yeah, that's him.
of there. Sorry, Jacob, I almost hit you.
I know.
Straightening up the drift right now, so I've put the tapered bars through the drift dies, forged them into a drift. Chad's cutting off the flashing, and I take that, which looks like one of these, heat up the end, forge this hammer striking head on it, straighten it, give it back to Chad. He cuts off just the last little bit on the top of the head here to make a clean top. And then that is done with forging. So let me take one out and do what I just described. Now I need to straighten that on the press. Little taparoo. Check for straightness the other way. I'm going to do that on the anvil. And it is ready for Chad. Just gonna cut a little bit off there. So we're back from lunch now. I've had some time for these drifts to cool down so I can actually touch them. With H13, after you finish forging or heat treating, it's really important that you do not hurry up, expedite the rate at which these cool down. Like if you quench this in water after forging it or quench it in water before it had finished cooling down from heat treating, it would just spiderweb cracks everywhere. It'd be terrible. So you really got to wait for these to cool down. So we are done with the forging on this. This is basically what it looks like, octagonal head on it. And then of course the drift shape with a little bit of flashing on there. These are ready to go into the heat treating oven. I will do a full annealing cycle on them, which takes like 28 hours in the heat treating oven. It ties up the heat treating oven for over a solid day because these take such a long time to anneal. But the annealing really helps with the grinding process, which is what comes next. So I don't have anything super official yet on my website, but we are going to be selling these sometime soon. I'm going to have 5 different sizes for single bit axes, small drifts for like anything from a 1 to 2 pound axe head, all the way up to a felling axe sized drift. I'll also have 3 different double bit sizes, all H13, all heat treated correctly, all the right sizes that I've spent so much time learning how to make. Chad is ruining my shot. Look at my mom. She's laughing at him. This is awkward. All right. As I was saying, these drifts will be available on my website. I've spent a long time developing these drifts and the process of using these drifts, and we've just now gotten to the point to where we want to sell them because we're confident in how well they work. Chad, you're still in the video.
No, he's not. He's out of the shot.
Okay, but he's like looking at me while I'm talking to everyone. It's really awkward. I feel uncomfortable. He's gonna get closer and stare at me more. That's okay. I can deal with the pressure. Now it's really weird. This is strange. So just be on the lookout for those on my website. We will come out with an actual instructional video showing exactly how to use the drifts, a how-to video, and then go over the safety details of the drifts and all that stuff that you need to know if you are interested in purchasing a drift. But we hope that you enjoyed this video. Drift forging is fun. It's more, the process of making drifts is majority just forging, whereas axe making, half of it, at least half of it, is woodworking. Drifts is just like hardcore forging. You just like take it out of the power hammer. Take it out of the forge, slam it to death on the power hammer. Chad's in the background like grinding up a storm, and there's smoke and fire and crap going everywhere. And it's a lot of fun. So we enjoy that, and we hope that you enjoyed watching it, and we'll see you in the next one. This is my little oinker friend. Mom always said, reach for the stars.